Yo, what the deal? It's your boy X.E.L. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. But if you are new here, do me a favor and like, subscribe, hit that bell notification so that'll let you know when I drop another video. Today we actually are going to be doing another freeware cookup. But first, word from our sponsor. This video is sponsored by DistroKid. DistroKid allows you to actually send your music to all these different platforms like Tidal, Amazon, Apple, Spotify, and even TikTok, and IG, Facebook, all that good stuff. So you'd be able to actually play your music on any of these platforms, and it's only $19.99 a year. A year, yes, I said a year. Plus with my 7% discount, come on, what you got to lose? You can upload as many songs as you want to this platform, and they give you so many other features that, I mean, it's just ridiculous. Let me just show you something. So I'm gonna go over here to goodies, and I'm gonna go down to special access. So this gives you the access on your music platforms. As you see, it gives you the Spotify artist. It gives you your Apple Music artist. You can even set up like a YouTube artist channel, and it has Twitch, and it even has the Tidal artist payments, which I was talking about before in one of my other videos about DistroKid. This is why I use DistroKid. All right, we're back. Today, I'm actually going to be going over Momentum. I'm going to show you guys how to kind of use it. If you need further instructions on how to actually use Momentum, I do have a video that I went step by step showing you all the features of Momentum. They added a couple of new ones with the 1.3 update, but let's get right into it. All right, so here we are in Cakewalk, and I'm going to go to new projects, and I'm going to go to our freeware template that we created, and that will bring up our freeware template. And this is my light theme. If you're interested in this theme or my dark theme, I have a link below in the description that you can download this for free. So let's start cooking. I'm going to actually go up here to the top, click on instruments, and I'm going to go and find Momentum. All right, and this is what Momentum looks like. I'm going to hit on this box right here to minimize it, to make it a little smaller. If you're not sure how to use Momentum, or you want to find out or get more in depth with Momentum and how to use it, I have a video that I've done a while ago about Momentum. It should be up above or maybe in the description. Hopefully I can remember to put it in the description below. But yeah, so this is Momentum. This is what it looks like. You have an option to change like your key or whatever you're in. Has a mixer section and it has a slice section. So the slice section is here, and you have all these effects that you can actually add on here. This is just a quick run through of how it actually looks and what it does. Add your samples into here. It gives you an option for your speed. They added this new feature here for velocity. So now if you want to have like a drum kit in here and you want to like have different velocities for like your kicks or your snares, they have that option right here for velocity now. Another thing that they added was an option to slice mapping. So now you can move your slice mapping, which I love that they did this, because that was one of the things that I really didn't like about Momentum is I always had to use my octave to go the other direction in order to actually play the samples. Now I can just move it here by moving my slicing and put it wherever I want to on my keyboard. I thought that was a really great idea, and they finally did it. All right, so let's find a sample and we can get started. All right, and I'm gonna kind of start with cymatics. They actually have this new melody collection that they just released, and I'm gonna use this. It's in the beta form right now, so they gave these away for free. Let's try trap. Let's try. Ooh. All right, let's use this one. I'm just gonna drag it into Momentum, and let's change the tempo here. I'm gonna do 145. Make it a kind of faster, either trap or drill beat. Let's see how it sounds. All right, that's really fast. So I'm gonna do this half speed here, this 0.5. This will slow down the sample. And you hear how it's breaking up. That's because it's on beat. So I'm gonna actually put it on stretch so that way it'll do a lot smoother when it's going to the next bar. All right, I like that. Let's go to slice here. And I'm gonna put it on half. So that way I know that I can just And each bar is like, all right. So far so good. Let's see if we just should record something here. See what I find. All right, so that looks like about 16 bar loop. All right, I'm gonna close momentum. Let's kind of see how it looks in the piano roll. It looks pretty good. Let's just quantize it real quick just to make sure. And I'm gonna do 1/8 quantize and note duration zone. So click on that and we should sound like this. All right, so there we go. So now we have that. Let's loop this section, hitting the Shift and L, and let's see if we can find some drums, and let's get it rocking, y'all. And if you watched the last video, I did use Sitala. I'm going to use Sitala again on this one. All right, so I like this section here. So we're going to delete this other one here, this beginning part. And we're going to go with the ones that have the velocity change on them. So let's just grab 4 bars of that, and I'm going to drag it back. Right, we can delete those, and we can highlight these, bring this back so that we can loop them. So I'm going to duplicate these over. And let's throw a nice little quantize on here. All right, something real simple. And I'm just going to duplicate these across. right, so now we just need to get a nice little 808 up in here to complement the one that's already there. Break this one up just to give it a little bit more flavor and have it glide up to that note. So here's how it sounds with the bass. I'm going to split these. I'm going to use my Alt-U on there and just split it. All right, and what I want to do is I want to convert this one into a WAV file. So I'm going to freeze it. And then I'm going to control and click just to drag it down to make it its own track. I'm just going to name it sample. So that way I'll know exactly what it is, and I can convert this one back, unfreeze it, and just mute that one. So now we have all right. So now we have the bass, we have the melody. Pretty much this is probably the end of the beat, and just kind of arrange it the way I want it to sound. I'm going to actually cut off this extra stuff here. I'm going to hit split. Click on here, hit S on the keyboard, highlight that one, delete it. So now we have a nice little loop, and I hope you guys enjoy watching this with me and cooking up with me in this freeware cookup. All right, so pretty much that is the end of this video. Just a real quick beat that I made using Momentum. I can chop it up and you'll probably see the rest of the beat at the end of this video. If you guys have like any comment, questions, concerns, definitely leave them below in the comment section. Make sure you guys have liked and subscribed to the channel. And you can hit the bell notification if you want to know when I drop another freeware cookup like this. Once again, it's your boy, X.E.L. Till next time, people. Peace.